Hello everyone, let's start our chapter 6, Town Trader and Craft Person. Today talk about Hampi. So please everyone open your page number 82. Yes, a closer look Hampi, Masulipatam and Surat. Now Hampi, which is located in North Karnataka along the bank of the river Tumbandra, Pishka and Tumbandra. It was a capital of the glorious Vijayanagara Empire, which was founded in 1336. The magnificent ruins at Hampi revel at the fortified city. So the Hampi is surrounded by a river one side and the granite ridge on the three side, and this made in a well defended capital city, well fortified city, well defended city. You can see that this broken wall. The no mortar and cementic agent was used in construction of these walls. So these bricks attach with each other, connect with each other together by interlocking pattern, as it was used in that also in a few earlier civilization sites. A fortified city. This is the how Portuguese traveler Domingo Pé described Hampi in the 16th century. When he visited Hampi, he said, according to his account, the entrance of the gate were passed who came from Goa. Those came from Goa. This king has made within a very strong city fortified with walls and the towers. These walls are not like those of the other city, but are made with very strong masonry, such as would be found in the few parts. And inside, very beautiful row of buildings made after their manual with a flat roof. So there he described the Hampi, what he observed in Hampi. During the rule, the Vijayanagar ruler took keen interest in the building tanks or canals, etc. Anantraj Sagar tank was built in within a 5.37 kilometer long earthen dam across the Maldevi River. Krishna Deva Rai built a huge stone embankment, means that dam between two hills to create a massive lake near Vijayanagar, from which water was carried through the uh, aqueduct and channels to irrigate field and gardens. So that time they planned how they built this city. The Vijayanagar Empire has spending nearly 3 centuries. It was founded in 1336 by Harihara and Bhuka. The empire reached its pinnacle during the reign of Krishnadeva Raja, who built huge embankment. Vijayanagar welcomed from many foreigner travelers, including Niccolo, Italian, Domingo Pé, and uh, many foreign travelers they visited. These travelers have written detailed account which provided a lots of crucial information about the empire of capital, like here which we discussed the traveler account of Portuguese traveler of Domingo Pais. As I told you, the ruler of Vijayanagar built several tank and canals. So one of the which we have already discussed, that Anantraj Sagar tank, and the other one is a Krishna Deva Rai built this huge stone embankment between two hills to uh, create irrigation to supply the water to the field. Apart from taxes and the land revenue, the empire had a prosperous trade. So the architecture of Hampi was distinctive. The building in the royal complex had splendid arc, domes, and the pillared hall with niches of the for holding sculptures. They also held the well-developed orchards and the pleasure garden with the sculptural motifs such as the lotus and corbel. This kind of the architectural feature they added in the Hampi. The 15th, 16th century Hampi busted with the commercial and cultural activity. Muslim merchants, Shetis, and agents of European traders such as Portuguese thrown the market of Hampi. So that time they given the information about that Hampi was a place, the very commercial, busy trading center. Now the trade was carried on the China in cotton, spice, jewels, semi-precious stone, ivory, or etc. Goods were also exported to Aden, Rome, and Myanmar. The chief imports were copper or mercury, coral, saffron. Okay, Hampi was also famous for its monument and temples. Temples were the hub of cultural activity. So Devdasi means the temple dancer performed before the deities. Royalty masses in the many pillared hall in the Virupaksha. Virupaksha means the temple, the form of Shiva, Virupaksha, okay? The deity name. Virupaksha name, the form of the Mahanavi festival known today as a Navratri in the south and the most important festival celebrated in Hampi. Now the archaeologists have found Mahanavi platform where the king received guests and the accepted donation, tribute, gift from the subordinate chief. Here he also was the dance and the music performance as well as wrestling bout, जहाँ पर कुश्ती होती होगी. Now Hampi fell into the ruin following defeat in Vijayanagara in 1556 by Deccani Sultans, the ruler of Golconda, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Berar, and Bidar. So this was the story of Hampi. Fine.
Located in the Krishna Tungabhadra basin, which formed the nucleus of the Vijayanagara Empire founded in 1336. The magnificent ruins at Hampi reveal a well-fortified city. No mortar or cementing agent was used in the construction of these walls, and the technique followed was to wedge them together by interlocking. The architecture of Hampi was distinctive. The building in the royal complex has splendid arcs, domes, and pillared halls with niches for holding sculptures. They also had well-planned orchards and pleasure gardens with sculptural motifs such as the lotus and corbels. In its heyday in the 15th, 16th centuries, Hampi bustled with commercial and cultural activities. Muslim merchants, chettis, and agents of European traders such as the Portuguese thronged the market of Hampi.